Today I want to show you guys a very special way of making Garri. When I mean Garri, I mean Garri porridge. If you're a Nigerian, I don't know if other African country knows about drinking Garri, but if you're a Nigerian, you can actually do this and you will love it. So here we're going to be needing some things. I think I'll just bring down my camera to show you guys. We have coconuts. I'm going to take out this. So we have coconuts, we have water, we have Garri, we have milk, we have sugar. So these are the things that we are actually going to need to make this Garri. So let's get right into the video. Come and join me to enjoy this tasty sweet Garri.